A recursive sequence is a sequence where you're given the first term of a sequence and what's called a recurrence formula, which is just the formula that you plug your value into, and you find each consecutive term in the sequence by plugging in the term that occurs before that term. So just some notation here. AN would be the nth term. Okay, and if you have AN as the nth term, AN minus 1 would be the term before the nth term. So in the recursive sequence, we're going to use the AN minus 1 inside the recurrence formula to find the ANth term, or the nth term, which is AN. So let's say I have a formula, AN equals 3AN minus 1. And let's say that my first term, A1, equals 2. We could find the second term, which would be A2, by plugging A1 into my recursive formula. Because, let's take a look at this, A2 here is my nth term, so A1 would be the term before A2. Alright, so then in order to find A2, you just go 3 times whatever A1 is here. So that'd be 3 times 2, which is equal to 6. So that is how we would find A2. We could find A3 by plugging something in for the AN minus 1. So we have to think about A3, which term would be the term before A3, and that would be A2. Well, we know A2 is 6, so it would be A3 is equal to 3 times 6, which is 18. And then, of course, you could find A4 by plugging 3 times. The term before A4 would be A3. So it would be A4 is equal to 3 times whatever A3 is. That's 18. So that would be 54. Now we can list the first 4 terms in our sequence out now. The first term was 2. The second term was 6. The third term was 18. And the fourth term was 54. This sequence would continue on forever, so if you wanted to find the 100th term, all you need to know is what the 99th term was. Let's look at one more. Alright, so let's say that AN is equal to 6 minus AN minus 1. So, to find A2, we already have A1, so we don't need to go and find it. It has to be given to you. So to find A2, we would go 6 minus A1, which is 4. So that equals 2. To find A3, we would just go 6 minus A2. A2 is 2. So that is 4. To find A4, we're just going to go 6 minus A3, which is 4, 2. And just for fun, we could find A5, which would be 6 minus A4. So A4 is 2, so that is 4. So our pattern here starts out as A1 is 4, 4, 2, 4, 2, and that continues on forever. So you just need to remember that in a recursive sequence, you're using the term before to help you figure out what the next term in the sequence is.